Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to be taking you all on a little ride along with me today up to Lake Chautauqua in New York. Should be about a 4, maybe 5 hour drive, depending on how much I stop. Hopefully the weather stays clear for me, but we're going to ride up there, spend the night at my parents' friend's cabin, and then shoot over to Panama Rocks the next day for the Nature Festival. So that should be pretty cool. Afterwards, we'll ride back down south on the highway and head on home. So let's ride.
So now that we've made it out of the city, the rest of the trip should be smooth sailing.
A few moments later.
Bruh.
So as you guys can see, it did end up raining today, so kind of got stuck in the rain a little bit. Probably going to change my detour and actually not go through Allegheny National Forest now, just because I can get to my destination a lot faster and not have to deal with any potential storms. So I did just fill up some quick lunch here. Belly's nice and full, so about to hit the road. Hopefully it stays dry from now on, so let's see how it goes.
All right, back at it. Really hope this light sensor picks me up. Oh, it did. Look at that.
All right, guys, so I finally made it to the lake house. Myself and the bike got a nice bath on the way over here, so we're nice and clean. We're here safe. Time to relax. Let's go. It is height in here. Good thing I didn't have a big breakfast. Whew. Really cool stuff there. So out here I've noticed that there's a ton of trees just growing right on the sides of the rocks. It's crazy how they're able to survive and continue growing. That's good old nature for you. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video with a time lapse of my ride home. I hope you enjoyed the trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.